x3, y3 and z3 coordinate. Here these are the points here, and on this diagram here this is a viewpoint which is on the view plane. Here friends, we can see here this is a viewpoint, and this line which is in pencil, which is drawn with the help of pencil, is the view plane. We have considered it. Now friends, here these P, Q and R points have same xy coordinates, that is here x1 is equal to x2, and x1 is equal to x2 is equal to x3, and y1 is equal to y2 is equal to y3. But these points have different z coordinates, that is z1 is not equal to